Hello and welcome to my channel, and here are some websites to help you get started with programming. The first one on the list is Codecademy. This one is my favorite. I have been using it to learn to code for quite a long time. Most of the courses are free and help you learn to code with a hands-on approach. It's highly interactive and also gives you instant feedback to help correct your code. All courses have a set of explanations with instructions and also comes with a code editor where you can code and see the output in the same place. The next one on the list is Dash by General Assembly. Here you can learn to code for free by creating projects. Make an account on their website and choose a project to get started. It will help you learn the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It comes with a code editor and displays the output in real time in the same place. So now the next one on the list this one is pretty famous. It's called Free Code Camp. They also have a YouTube channel with lots of courses and tutorials about various programming languages and development. It is a non-profit organization. Free Code Camp offers many interactive coding tutorials with videos and also articles. They also offer free coding certifications which you can find on their website, and you can read articles. It is really helpful and their channel is also really good. Now the next one on the list is the Odin project. Their full stack curriculum is free and is also supported by the open source community. As a beginner, you can start to learn with their foundation course, which also helps you set up your development environment along with learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. They offer 2 full stack courses from which you can choose. One is the Ruby on Rails course and the other one is the full stack JavaScript course. It is free and beginner friendly. The next one is Bento. Bento offers a free and easy to follow curriculum. You can choose a learning track out of many which they offer. You can choose a learning track for mastering a programming language or a subject. They have curated a lot of tutorials on their website to help you learn to code, which is easy to follow. It has courses about many programming languages including Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS and much more. The next one on the list is SoloLearn. SoloLearn offers a more digestible studying experience. Here each section is focused on one topic rather than bombarding you with all the information that you might not be able to understand at once. You can save your code in SoloLearn and later review it whenever you want from the previous lessons. You can also connect with other students on their platform and you can also participate in discussion forums. It also comes as an app which is available for both iOS and Android. So now let's talk about some websites which will help you to improve your coding skills. The first website on the list to improve your coding skills is HackerRank. HackerRank offers a wide variety of resources for beginners and also have some crash courses. HackerRank is used both by developers and companies. Companies use HackerRank to conduct their online assessments and coding interviews. You can also get your skills certified by attempting the challenge on their website to get certified. You can also compete with others in their contests, which are free if you want to participate. You can also practice on their platform by solving problems. So the next one on the list is HackerEarth. HackerEarth has a job section where companies post their challenges in which you can participate and get hired. You can compete with others and also solve practice problems to improve your programming logic skills and figure out how to apply the things which you have learned in those problems while improving your coding skills. The next one on the list is LeetCode. This website is pretty famous. Many students use LeetCode to prepare for interviews and improve their programming logic skills. LeetCode also has its learning tracks by which you can get some guidance as a complete beginner about how and where to get started. I would recommend this platform to improve your programming logic skills and test the knowledge which you have learned. Now, if you are a competitive person and want to take all of this to the next level, you can try competitive programming. If you do want to get serious about competitive programming, here are some websites which are quite famous among competitive programmers that they use for competitive programming. The first one on the list is AdCoder. AdCoder is a programming contest website for anyone from beginners to experts. They host weekly contests in which you can participate and compete with others by solving problems. You also get a rating in AdCoder, which also helps you keep track of your progress. People from all over the world participate in these contests. The next one on the list is CodeChef. CodeChef was created as a platform to help programmers make it big in the world of algorithms, computer programming and programming contests. They host 3 featured contests every month and give away prizes and goodies to the winners as encouragement. Apart from this platform is open to the entire programming community to host their contests. The next on the list is Codeforces. This platform is quite famous among competitive programmers across the globe. Codeforces is a website that hosts competitive programming contests. You can also solve problems from the previous contests as practice. You also get rated in Codeforces, with which you can track your progress and improve yourself further to take part in these competitive programming contests. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like these. If you know any other websites, make sure to share them in the comments section. Thank you very much.